Hello, my name is Ari from English Eye Center in Asante Clavery. My favorite activity is watching YouTube videos online. It is the best way to spend my free time. There are so many videos in YouTube, so it is very hard to choose what to watch. But among those videos, I love watching people play online games the most. My favorite YouTuber is JumpDTV, who plays a game called Minecraft. Minecraft is a game that people can make everything inside. The YouTuber always plays Minecraft with 5 players. There are so many interesting things and so funny skills. Watching it makes me feel happy, but my mother always tells me not to watch for too long. Make sure you don't watch YouTube videos for too long. Thank you for listening.